So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix YouTube not working on Edge browser. So first of all, open the Edge browser on a PC. In case the YouTube is not working, then try clearing the cache files of the browser. For this, click on these three dots. Now here click on History. Now click on this Delete button. Now from here, select Time Range. Under this, select All Time. Now from here, only check cookies, another site data, and cached image and files. As you can see here, only these two options are checked, rest all are unchecked. Now click on Clear Now, and this will clear the cache of the browser. And once you do this, try opening YouTube again, and this should fix the issue. The next step is to remove unwanted extension. Sometimes the extensions on the browser can also cause issues with YouTube, so it's best to remove them. For this, click on this icon. Now here, click on Manage Extensions. Now here you will see all the extensions. Look for the one you don't use. For example, Grammarly. Now click on Remove button under it. Click on Remove, and this will uninstall the extension. In a similar way, uninstall all the extensions you no longer use. And once done, try reopening YouTube on the browser. In case the issue is still not fixed, then reset the Edge browser settings. For this, click on these three dots. Now click on Settings. Now here on the left pane, click on Reset Settings. Now click on Reset Settings to the default values. Click on Reset. And this will reset the settings. And once you do this, reopen the YouTube and it should work fine now. So this way I can fix YouTube not working on Microsoft Edge. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.